Assalamu alaikum grade 5. Today we will study the last generation of computer, which is the fifth generation of computer, and the chapter is the characteristics and evolution of computer. From 1989 to the future, it means that it is used up till now from the year 1989 to this year. First we will do the reading. The fifth generation computer refers to as supercomputers. Supercomputers have high storage capacity, high speed, and the ability to carry out highly sophisticated operations. So, number one advantage of fifth generation is that they have very high storage capacity. They can carry out sophisticated operation. We will learn about the sophisticated operation on the next page, and they have very high speed. Next is the Cray CS300 series, an example of supercomputers. Supercomputer means the computer which can do work, think and behave like human beings. Fifth generation also involves artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create computers that can think, behave and react in the same way as humans do. The fifth generation computer expected to overcome the lack of thinking power in the earlier generation. So, fifth generation computer, also called the supercomputers, involves the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the intelligence which is related to the robots, the computers which can think, behave and react in the same way as human do to a certain situation or or to a certain circumstances. These computers are called the supercomputers or the artificial intelligent computers. The best example of artificial intelligence is the Siri and Alexa. What is Siri and Alexa? Basically, they are the helper. They are the helper computer which can help us in any kind of task. So, what is Siri and Alexa? Basically, Siri is a visual person, our assistant, our helper. We can control it with our voice. It can also help us out by doing our task. For example, if you want to read anything or message anything, or you want to remind you of your friend's birthday, then Siri and Alexa are the same thing. They are just like the robots, and they can remind you that today is your friend's birthday, and it can help you in any kind of task. Either it is related to the English subject, say math, science, anything in the world. And when we speak to Siri, it will respond and speak back to us. Siris understand all the thing what we say. So Siri and Alexa are the artificial intelligence. Use your internet and search what is Siris and Alexa, and you will know better by using the internet. So basically, they are the supercomputer which can help us and in any kind of task in a daily life. Okay.